In this session, we will discuss second question of exercise 12.2. In the second question, it is to add the following expression. Few terms or expressions are given. You are asked to add it. Children, in the previous session, we have understood well how to do it. 5 easy steps I have discussed with you. What are those 5 easy steps? Let us first revise it and then we will follow the steps and we will get the solution. The first thing is learn to put a bracket. Then you will open the bracket. Then you will arrange it in like terms. Then you will simplify and what will you get? You will get the answer or the solution for that question. So let us apply these 5 easy steps to our first question. It is 3mn. Put 3mn inside the bracket. You are asked to add. Replace this comma with a plus sign. Again put the next one 5mn inside the bracket. Replace this comma with a plus sign. Put 8mn, this term also inside the bracket. Replace the comma with a plus sign and finally the last term inside the bracket. After putting the bracket, now you open the bracket. So here you know I have explained you before also that if you have a plus sign or no sign, that means whatever the term is, same way you will copy it. There will be no change. But still, because you are at beginner stage, so you will also learn with me why I gave you that shortcut. So for now we are not using the shortcut. See, if there is no sign, that means it's a plus sign. Plus, what is this? A bracket means multiplication. Here with 3, no sign means a plus sign. What are we doing? Plus multiplied by plus. Multiplying same sign will give you same sign. Okay, plus sign you know. The rule also we have discussed. When you multiply same sign, you get a plus sign. And when you multiply two different signs like this, you will just put a minus sign. Clear? So we will do this. You get the plus sign. Now copy the term. Now what is this? You are multiplying plus multiplied by minus. When you multiply different sign, the result is a negative sign. Okay, minus sign you will get. Now what are we doing? Now we will multiply. But here there is no sign. That means it is a plus sign. Multiplying what? Plus multiplied by plus. Multiplying same sign, we will get plus sign. Okay, what is it? 8mn. Now move to the next one. We are multiplying plus bracket means multiplication minus. Multiplying two different signs, we get a minus sign. So see children, this is why I told you to put a bracket. When you have seen the question, see what is it? When you have put the question now, replacing the bracket, you got it like this, but yes, replacing the comma. Sometimes it's not always that you will get the same expression. Remember, for now we got the expression. Can you tell me the reason why it is exactly the same as the above question? It is because after, see here, before each bracket you have a plus sign. So I gave you the shortcut that if you have a term, outside this you have a plus sign. There will be no change. See children, it is plus 3m, this is also plus 3mn, minus 5mn, minus 5mn. But this is not the story always. If suppose here we would have a negative sign, so what will this become? This will become entirely different. This will then become a negative term. This is why I learned to put the bracket and then only solve. These things you can write down in your notebook. Rather, I suggest revise this 5 times. The 5 easy steps. Children, this step will give you answer for every question of this exercise or any exercise, any question which is based on algebraic expression. Finally, you have to do this only, okay? Learn to put the bracket, open the bracket, arrange the terms and then simplify. Also the rules if you have forgotten, and also if you have less time in exam. These are the shortcuts, not for now, for practicing. This shortcut is for your exams. If you are having less time, in that case, remember, outside the bracket, if you have a negative sign, the term will be same, but you will change the sign. So now, let's do the rest of the things. So we have opened the bracket also. Now what we will do? A and T. But see, all are like terms. So what I will do? I will club together the positive terms, H, M, N also, and I will bring together the negative terms also, because all are like terms. I will solve this and this side by side. Same sign. When you have same sign, log of addition says you add and put same sign. Add 8 plus 3, it is 11. Write down what is that? M, N. Here minus and minus. So here also see same sign. Add and put same sign. So minus 5 and minus 4 will become minus 9 Mn. Now again you solve, because they are like terms, we can solve. Difference in sign. What do we do? You subtract. So smaller minus, bigger minus the smaller value. This will be 11 minus 9. So you will get 2. Okay. Is it all? No. Put greater number sign. Greater number is plus. Plus. So your answer will be here. Plus 2mn. So it's so easy. We have done nothing except applying the steps. This step is going to give you the way for the solution. Okay. So like this, you have 3 more questions, few more questions rather you have. Please try some of them. Let me discuss the second and third question also. Same way, let's solve the fourth question. So you can see 3 expressions are given: a plus b minus 3, b minus a plus 3 and a minus b plus 3. So what will you do? I am doing it directly here. You will rewrite and put a bracket. I will put a bracket around this. Question is to add, put a plus sign. Again, put a bracket around it. Question is to add, so put a bracket. Now we will solve. To open the bracket, I have no sign, that means plus. So plus multiplied by this, a has a plus sign. So we are multiplying same sign. This will become plus a. Children, remember what is happening here. We are taking this number plus to each term. Because this sign is outside the bracket, so it means it is common for all. This plus will be multiplied by this number also, with this term also, and with this term also. So plus into plus, 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 again it will go and meet b. B is having plus sign. Plus into plus, again plus sign. Plus multiplied by minus, 2 different sign, minus sign. See, a. So I will just show you first the plus and plus sign. Plus into plus, plus a. Write down that a. Now plus will go and meet again the next plus sign. Plus into plus, same sign. Write down the term. Again plus. Now it will be meeting minus 3. So the sign will meet sign. Remember, sign will meet sign. Plus multiplied by minus, difference in sign, minus 3. This is why we open the bracket, because sometimes if you have a negative sign outside the bracket, then you will get all the term signs different. Okay. So let's practice. Plus will go and meet b. B is having plus sign. So 2 same signs you multiply, you get a plus sign. Plus now will be meeting minus. Plus into minus, minus, write down the term. Now plus will go and meet plus 3. So Mr. 3 is having a plus sign, same sign. So write plus. Again for this, plus here will go and meet A. A is having Plus will not meet A plus will say, I want to meet your sign. Plus will meet A sign. No sign means a plus sign. Plus into plus, plus A. Now again, plus will go and meet the next one. Plus is against, plus minus. Plus into minus. Why? Because this is a bracket, means multiplication. Plus into minus, minus, copy the term. Now plus into plus, plus 3. I hope it is clear how we open the bracket. This is very important, so I am explaining you in detail. Please don't do any shortcut for now. Now arranging like terms. So this plus A, first I will check all the variables with A. I have here one more minus A and I have one more plus A. Why I am cancelling here? I have told you when we were discussing the third chapter also. I have a habit of writing and then cutting that number or term because there are chances that I may repeat or exclude or just miss writing it. Okay, so that should be in my knowledge. A finished. Now plus B. Here I have another plus B. Then I have one more minus B. Then here minus 3. Then here plus 3 and here plus 3. What I am doing? I have opened the bracket. See, I have first put the bracket. Then I have opened the bracket. I have arranged it. After arranging it, I am simplifying it. So see, these two will counter each other, minus A plus A. So this will become simply plus A plus and minus B, or these two you can take plus B and minus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. So that will become 0. So you are left with A plus B plus 3. So what is the answer? A plus B plus 3 will be the solution for this question. So children, now you can try all the questions. Let me see if any question is there which is difficult. I don't think so. Any question for you all is going to be difficult. Still, let me solve the fifth question. The fifth question is 5m minus 7n. Then you have 3n minus 4m. Then you have, with this you have plus 2. Then you have 2m minus 3mn minus 5. Let me check. 5n minus 7n. See, one expression. 3n minus 4m plus 2, correct. 2m minus 3m minus 5. What is the question? To add. What we will do? We will also add. How will we add? Write down the term or the expression. Remove this comma and put a plus sign because you have to add. Same way 3n minus 4m plus 2. This is one more expression. Place it in a bracket. Put a plus sign. Same way 2m minus 3mn minus 5. Now open the bracket. So here I have plus sign, multiply plus. What is happening here? See, plus. This bracket means multiply, no sign means plus. Plus into plus, same sign, we put a plus sign and copy the expression as it is. Come to the next one. What is here? Plus, bracket means multiplied by, no sign means a plus sign. Do it with pencil, show it with pencil. Plus into plus, same sign, you put a plus sign and you will copy 3n. Here also I have copied directly. Let's check for this one also. Plus into minus, for this plus multiplied by minus. See, plus into minus. Difference in sign, put a minus sign. Same way this plus will be now getting multiplied with the next term. Plus into plus. What will happen? Multiplying same sign gives you same sign. Remember children, here I am explaining you with one example. Suppose you have minus sign. Here you have 7x plus 8y minus, take for example 9x. Here also you have suppose a negative sign. Remember this example, actually what is happening. We have discussed this type of example in associative property also about the brackets. See children, this minus is a guess. Take example that this minus sign is a guess. This minus sign wants to meet each term. So this minus sign will go and meet each term. But when it will meet, to whom it will meet? To its own type of relative. This is a sign, it will meet its sign. This type of story you remember in your mind. Please keep this in your mind. Please, okay? Please keep it in your mind. That minus and minus, or minus or plus, they will meet. So what will this become? This is minus. This minus sign is now going and meeting the first term. So when it goes minus multiplied by minus, minus into minus, same sign, put a plus sign and copy the term. Again this minus will now go and meet the next term. So minus into plus, difference in sign, put a minus sign, copy the term. Same way the third time this minus will now go and meet the last term, minus 9x. So minus into minus, multiplying the same sign will give you same sign. Have you understood? This is why I was telling, if outside the bracket you have a negative sign, what will happen? The terms inside will be same, but there will be a change in sign. And this you will learn gradually as you keep on practicing. So this way you keep on practicing. Say in your, when you are solving it, say in your mind to yourself what you are doing. That is the best way to practice. So we have here opened this bracket. Now plus, I told you it's a plus sign. Plus into plus, no sign means plus 2m. Same way plus into minus. See, this plus is a guess, wants to go and meet each term. So what will plus do? Will meet its own relative. Sign will meet sign. So plus bracket means this door for the guess is multiplication sign. Plus multiplied by minus. Multiplying two different signs. Answer is minus. Then plus into minus. Same way this will become a negative sign. Now we will arrange it in like terms. First I will write down all the variables with m. 5m. Here I have 4m. Then I have 2m. Okay. Yes, that much. Now what else we have here? See, now variables with n. Minus 7n. Then we have any other? Yes, the next one only 3n. Okay. See, 7n, 3n. What else we have now? Constant value. So this is plus 2. This is minus 5. And now you have the last 3mn. Check. This is your variables m terms. So here you have plus sign, plus and minus, difference in sign. Solve these two. Difference in sign. Subtract, put bigger number sign. This will become 1m. What do you have? Plus you have 2m. Same sign, add and put same sign. Same way, this also you see. Minus and plus. Difference in sign, subtract and put greater number sign. But there is only two terms. So it's not, 2 is not there, only 2. Only 2 terms. So it's easy. Minus 4n. This again, difference in sign, subtract and put greater number sign and minus 3mn. But yes, see all the terms what you have got. Now you club together. So the answer will be 3n minus, I write down here. What I got here? 3m minus 4n minus 3 minus 3mn. This is what I have solved. Now what will you do? When you write the answer, first write all the terms with the variables. So here your answer will be 3m minus 4n. Include this variable also. 3mn minus 3, and this will be the answer. Have you understood what we have done? Same thing, same story. Putting the bracket, opening the bracket, ALT, arranging it in like terms, then you bring together, simplify, and you will get the solution. So children, please try the second question and the first question which I have discussed before with you today. God bless you.